To cut an object in a photo and save it with transparent background on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the desired photo you like to make its background transparent. Long tap the main object to cut it out. As a note, this feature works best when the object has clear edges, a contrast background, a simple shape, and solid color or texture. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon on the pop-up menu above the selected object, and then select Save as Image. To see the result, go to the Clip Images album. Find the photo of the object you cut before. As you can see that the photo has a transparent background and is saved as PNG file. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.